Are you drowning in project chaos, struggling to keep track of time and resources with multiple projects and employees? Let's get you organized, as we will set up Clockify to handle multiple projects and employees, ensuring efficient project monitoring, resource allocation, and awesome team collaboration. First, head over to Clockify and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. If you're already a Clockify Pro, log in and let's jump right in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Workspace Settings. This is where the magic starts. Give your workspace a descriptive name, like your company name or team name, to keep things nice and tidy. Next, let's add your team. Click on the Users tab. You'll find the Invite Users button. Click on it and add your employees by entering their email addresses. Assign them roles like user or admin based on their responsibilities. Admin access grants additional permissions, so use it wisely. Now, let's create some projects. Head over to the Projects tab and click on New Project. Give your project a clear and concise name, then add a brief description so everyone knows what the project is all about. Open the project you just created and assign relevant employees to that project. Here, you can set individual hourly rates for each employee if billing is part of your workflow, which will help you with project cost calculations. Then, create tags to categorize your projects by type or department. This will help you better track the different tasks and project aspects. And that's it. Your Clockify is now set up to handle multiple projects and employees. Your team can now start tracking time against specific projects and tasks. You can then easily monitor progress, allocate resources effectively, and boost overall team collaboration. Happy Clockifying!